Ethical ways to make money. Making money doesn't have to feel impossible or unethical. There are countless ways to build wealth while staying true to your values. Let's explore some ethical, impactful paths to financial freedom. Start with skills you already have. Can you write, design, teach, or code? Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even starting a small tutoring business can help you monetize your talents. Explore freelancing. Many companies look for part-time or project-based work, offering a flexible way to earn. If you enjoy creating, sell handmade products on Etsy or digital products like ebooks or templates online. Investing is another ethical way to grow wealth. Educate yourself about stocks, mutual funds, or real estate. Start small, and remember, the earlier you begin, the better. Another option is teaching. Online platforms like Udemy or Coursera let you create courses on topics you're passionate about. Sharing knowledge is rewarding both financially and personally. Finally, consider social impact opportunities. Can you start a business that solves a community problem? Ethical businesses focused on sustainability or education are growing, and they create value for everyone involved. Making money ethically is about aligning your work with your values. It's not just about income, it's about impact. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how far your efforts can take you.